Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through a very quick review about this AI website called AiSDR. Just get started with a quick review. What is AiSDR? Think of AiSDR as a smart helper for your sales team. It looks like a robot that can automate some of your boring stuff like development rep usually do. This robot can help you create and send sale emails, and even follow up with people. This AI also automatically does things like sending message to people on LinkedIn. It can also help you nurture leads. The goal is to help you book meeting and help you with your pipeline and with customers. So talking about the top features of this platform, they have the wide range of features. AISDIR stand out with its cutting-edge AI-driven capacity designed to revolutionize your sales process. So it is more than just a sale automation. It's comprehensive sale engagement platform that helps you connect with prospects. And here's a closer look at what makes AISDR unique. So one of them is the independent AI sales with the prospecting AI and an AI email which help you craft personalized email that resonate with prospect, increasing an open rate and response. It also comes with a sales outreach and an HubSpot sales. So talking about the pricing plan, they have two pricing plan, which is the Explore, and that takes about $750 per month. Then with the Grow, you have this, which is the $2,000 per month. So if you want more information about the key features that is allocated on each plan, you can just refer to the website to check more information about the key features on the pricing plan. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thank you.